Sweating like a mug. Oh, man. You know what? There was a point in life where you realize how good life really is. When you stop comparing yourself to other people, when you stop painting images for other people and you paint your own life. What do I mean by that? I like to work out, enjoy the sun. I don't really need too many people around me. And that's just how I chose my life, you know. Relationships, I'm not good at them. Why? Because I don't want to put the energy in one. I'm kind of stuck in my ways. And it is what it is. I'm okay with me. Are you okay with you? I know we're taught to like share memories and share all this shit, but the reality is all life is a memory. Memory amongst memory amongst memory amongst memory. Maybe I'm just going crazy. I don't know. You know, we grow up and we start to see life for what it is. Full of lust, full of evil, full of control, full of attention seeking. But once I know that I'm on my right path, then I don't need nothing external to validate me, to try to control me, to try to tell me how to live my life. And that's just what I'm learning. Is your friends, your family, they think that just because what they say is truth. But then do they realize how the person you're giving advice to, how this person lives their life, or are you just giving them advice because you think that you're right? I know I'm right. Because I chose this life that I'm living now. I don't complain about it. I'm in it. I lie. I complain sometimes. But the reality is that what's the point? I understand they're friends and family, but it's kind of like crabs in the bucket mentality, man. And that's just what I'm seeing in this world, is that everybody wants a quick buck. Everybody wants to quit and quit and quit and quit and not really earn and earn and earn. Because the people that are giving you advice, do they know your life? Do they know you? Or are they somehow trying to think that they're right. Because, people gave me advice the other day, and that just doesn't make sense to me at all. It just doesn't make sense to me at all. It's not my character, And that's the thing is, you need to tap into your own character. We listen to so many people, and a lot of the things they say just doesn't make sense. Yeah, I entertain them with, what's going on in my life, but then it's the advice they give you it seems like I don't know what it seems like. It just doesn't seem right to me. It just doesn't seem right to me. Why? Because I'm not on what they're doing. I know what's right, so I'm gonna do what's right. I'm not saying they're wrong, I'm just saying I know what's right, so I'm gonna do what's right. I don't need advice from people. Why? I just don't. I just really don't. Because the external world always wants to shame you and think you're wrong about just how you live your life, and how do we know what right and wrong is? I'm not hurting nobody besides myself sometimes. Man, I just always say this, man. Words are just words, man. Look at that bird. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. The words are just words, man. Don't take words so personal. Don't be so weak-minded. Don't let other weak people make you weak. You know your ethics. I know my ethics. I know my standards. I know my existence. And the reality is that we're all lost. We're all lost. We're trying to find our way, and with every action, there's a consequence. As long as you do your part for society and for yourself, then nobody else should be able to, intervene with your peace. I'm not better than nobody, but I'm just seeing things differently, and that's all there is to it. Yeah, I may look like this and I may look like that, but that's their judgment, not mine. Just like with you, it's your judgment, nobody else's. So anyway, I'm gonna sit in this backyard, chill, enjoy the sun. Sorry about my voice, I don't know what's wrong with it, but you know yourself, you know your path. You don't really need too much people in your life, because then you gotta entertain them, and then it's just like, you need to entertain yourself. We all want entertainment, that's understandable, but some entertainment is sucking. It drains your energy. So anyway, have a good day. Peace.